Let's take a look at setting up a tax-free retirement account using an IUL. So John is going to be you in this scenario. John wants to save $500 per month into his IUL. So he pays $500 to an insurance carrier that provides him with an indexed universal life insurance contract. The way this is going to play out is a small percentage of that $500 goes to an immediate death benefit. It's going to the insurance company to buy a life insurance. Okay. So $200,000 in this hypothetical scenario. John, if he was to pass away, he makes $500 payment. If he passed away tomorrow after his contribution, $200,000 would pay up to his designated beneficiaries. That's not the sole purpose of why he got the account. It's just an added benefit because it is a life insurance contract. The rest of the funds from that $500 is going to go down to an accumulation account. Typically, this small percentage is going to be somewhere between 10 and 15%. So he pays 500, about 50 to 75 probably goes and buys this. The remaining 450 or $425 goes into an accumulation account. This is an account that is linked to a stock market index such as the S&P 500. Average rate of return of about 7 to 10% each and every year. If the markets go negative, if the S&P was to go negative 20%, John won't lose money in his accumulation account because he has a 0% floor. John only participates in the gains up to whatever the cap is, typically about 12%. And then when markets go negative, he doesn't take any risks. So he has preservation of capital and risk protection. So that accumulation account over time dumps into another account called a cash value account. This is John's retirement. This is also, it's essentially like a line of credit with the insurance company, okay? Because the insurance company has John's money. So the insurance company extend John a line of credit known as his cash value account. And the reason it's a line of credit is because John is able to pull tax-free loans from here to himself. And loans are non-taxable events. So the insurance company extends a line of credit, which is collateralized by the account value, and John can borrow from it each and every year. So in this whole scenario, since it's a retirement strategy, we're going to be able to use these funds at like age 60 or 65 on an annual basis. And we'll just take them in the form of a loan because loans are tax-free. And then eventually John's going to pass away. And whatever was left over in his account, his death benefit will pay out tax-free minus any loans that he have, and whatever's left over will pay back over here to his beneficiaries. But the benefit of this is he does not have to pay this back. So John doesn't have to pay it back because, again, it's going to be paid back when he passes away. It can be accessed at any time in his life. So John doesn't have to wait until he's 65 to access the funds. If in 5 years he needs to go in there and take a couple $1,000s to send his daughter off to college or something, or maybe a life event occurs and he wants to access his funds, he has access to whatever amount is available in his cash value at that time, and which is highly beneficial. Unlike 401ks or IRAs, they're locked up till 59 and a half without certain exceptions, right? And then he does not have to interrupt his accumulation account when he borrows from here. He has the option of taking what is known as a variable loan or a participating loan. So when John takes money out of this cash account in the form of a loan, he takes it at an interest. Okay, so if he borrows $100,000 hypothetically, and it's typically going to have a 4% interest attached to it. So he borrows the 100 grand at 4%, but the $100,000 is still in his accumulation account. If this makes 8% and he owes 4%, he has a 4% positive arbitrage on that. Even though he took it out, he still technically made 4 grand on his $100,000. And this is how John sets this up to be a tax-free retirement play while also being able to access it throughout his life. And this is why a lot of people find IULs to be highly beneficial throughout their life. Not solely the only retirement play, but it's a great additional supplemental retirement income stream, especially since you can't have a tax-free Roth and go put $5,000 per month in it because the Roths have limits and income limits. So this is a great play for that. If you have been considering getting an IUL and you want to see how this works specifically, set up a Zoom call, jump over to the profile. I'd be happy to sit down with you specifically, run your numbers, and just see if it makes sense for you.